With this home page pretty much started, I wanted to show you how we can add additional pages here. So if you go to pages, you can see that this one is called the home page, and we can add a page down here. You can duplicate pages as well, and you can rename them if you do make a mistake, but I'm just going to click add page, and this is going to be my favorite things. It's a little bit long for a menu item name, but that is what's on this project. So I'm going to click done. Now you can see, since we have two pages, that we have two options in this menu that's up here at the top. Now this header that I've added up here is going to need to be changed. So I'm going to actually change my header type back to a title only, the way I did in my other video. And I'm going to delete this my favorite things because we're going to do it with our image. I'll go back to insert images. I'm going to upload the one that I made for my favorite things and just place it up here in the middle, making it bigger. So you could upload your 4 PNG titles that you put on here. I think I'd like you to kind of experiment with that. If you run into trouble getting them to all be nice and even across the bottom, remember these right here. So we can actually insert these content blocks, which gives you a place where you can upload each of those pictures by themselves. You don't have to use the text boxes. Remember that if you get it by itself, see where the blue line is just around there, we could delete that text box and then only have the 4 images. So that's one way to get these on there. Now I've added a section that I want to get rid of now, and you can just look for that trash can to remove it off to the left. Now, I wanted to point out that you could add the additional pages that you already know about here. So I'm going to click the plus new page, and the next thing that we're going to be working on is vector art. Okay, lots of different things we'll be doing with that, but we can go ahead and add it. But please make sure that you hide it from navigation. So there's 3 little dots on the right, and you can say, don't let that be visible. Even when you publish it, it's kind of in draft form. And then if you are already making your headers, you could go ahead and add those in there. You could build out the rest of this. You can see that you've got your 8 different pages that are going to be there when you look on week 7. And just make sure that they're not visible until they're ready to be published.